What's happening, guys? In this video, I'm going to give you at least three behind-the-scenes things that you might not know about being a YouTuber. So I was just going through some comments and stuff here and looked at the post that I put up the other day. Are you guys interested in behind-the-scenes stuff? So I don't know if I'm going to do it, this way and actually make a whole video about it, or if I'm going to just make some stories about it and kind of put a little more info out there. Sometimes I think, like, who cares what I got to say, right? But it's all stuff that's interesting if you're just getting into YouTube, especially. I know when I first got started, tons of stuff I wanted to learn. So anyway, the first thing that you might not realize about being a YouTuber is, well, the amount of time it takes. Now, if you've made a few videos, you know it takes a lot of time. You spend time sitting at the computer editing and trying to get a good workflow going. It takes a lot of time. So that's thing number one that you might not realize. Thing number two is that it takes a lot of time, at least for me, to go through and respond to everybody's comment. I try to go through everybody's comment and either like it, respond to it, give it a heart, because I appreciate you guys taking the time just to stop by the channel, drop a comment, watch a video, and the least I could do is go and put one of those little hearts on your comment for you. And if you had a question, maybe help you out and answer it. I mean, part of the reason I'm even doing YouTube is because I want to help people. And that's probably the biggest joy that I get out of doing this, is that I get to help people and you really get to make an impact, Another thing you might not realize being a YouTuber is that you spend a lot of time alone. Now, for me, I don't care. I love being alone. And with 3 little munchkins, and, that's the primary day job, is taking care of them, making sure the school goes good, the virtual, all that kind of stuff, all the running around. That's all on me. So when I get time to come down and film a video or talk to you guys or work on editing, I love that. I love time by myself. I'm one of those people who, I need the time just to kind of chill out by myself, decompress. I'm not somebody who needs to be around people all the time, and that's okay. Some people are, some people aren't. But I've seen a lot of YouTubers struggle where they just spend a lot of time alone and they just don't feel like they've got anybody to talk to. And I'm just thankful that, at least for me, I don't mind being alone. It's kind of nice. I like to decompress and just kind of chill out. I'm a thinker, so I think through stuff and like to just spend time in the quiet thinking. And for me, that's not so bad. But if you're a people person and you need to be around people all the time and always talking and interacting with people, it may be a little tough for you if you're going for YouTube as a career or even as a side hustle to make a lot of videos and spend a lot of time on it when you don't have anybody to actually talk to. Another thing you might not realize when you're making YouTube videos is I feel like there's a lot of just downtime where you're not filming anything and you're not editing stuff. You're copying files, you're getting things set up so you've got a good way to work with everything, so that way everything goes smoothly. I've got file structures set up so every project is the same. I know where to find stuff, but you're copying files from your camera, you're setting audio files. I'm recording from this guy over here to the computer. I need to sync that stuff up. There's a lot that goes into it, more than you might think as you get better and better at it, because for me, and probably for a lot of you out there too, the more you do it, the better you want your video to look, the better you want your audio to sound, the better you want your setup to be. And I mean, I just recently updated my setup. I've got all these acoustic blankets all around here, and they do a great job. And it's like I'm always wanting to kind of get a little bit better. One, for you guys, so it's interesting and fun to watch, but also I just want to bring that quality up a level, It's great to just use your phone and do that if that's all you got. And when I got started, I just used what I had, I actually used a shop light to use to light me up instead of like a softbox or something, because I didn't have one, and that worked out fine. Bounced some white light off the wall and bada bing bada boom, you got some decent light on you to light up my face a little bit. And as time goes on, you get better and better. You need to invest in your channel to be able to get up to those next levels. Maybe it's a better camera, maybe it's a better microphone, maybe it's a better studio setup, maybe it's a light, maybe it's a better computer. There's all kinds of things that you're gonna need as you go along. But you know what? Start with what you got. You got a phone, just use that and get going with that, because if you got good content, that's the most important to get started with. For me, I didn't start spending any money on my YouTube channel until my channel started making some money. Granted, I did get a lot of photography gear because my business is also photography. So, I was making money in photography, and when I made enough money and had some extra, then I'd go buy a lens, and I'd get a better camera, and then, I'd get the different things that I need. So keep that in mind. Don't go out and just buy stuff. You don't need to go buy stuff. Just use what you got. And as your channel starts to grow, you start to make a little bit of money, then you can reinvest it into your channel and hopefully help you get up to those next levels where you want to go. And there's a quick little bonus thing here. A lot of people ask me, what program do you use to do all those cool screen recordings and highlighting and all that? Right here on the screen, I actually have ScreenFlow. It's ScreenFlow for Mac. Awesome program. I've been using it pretty much since I started my YouTube channel. And it's a great tool. I use it all the time, and I just upgraded to whatever their new version is. It's only like 39 bucks to upgrade. Not bad, so I did that. But I do use ScreenFlow, so if you guys are on Mac and you're looking for a great screen recording software, we can do all this kind of highlighting and stuff and call-outs like I do in my videos. Check out ScreenFlow because they're great and I use it all the time. All right, guys, that's it for my behind-the-scenes tips, thoughts, I don't know, whatever you want to call it this time. So if you guys like this kind of video, let me know in the comments down below. I'd be happy to make more videos like this. I just want to make sure anybody actually cares about what I'm saying, you know, and that it's helpful for you guys. So if you do and you care, leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think. And if you don't care, hey, you can leave that down there too. It's good for me to know. So if you're just starting your channel, just a word of encouragement, keep going, keep putting those videos out there, do the best job that you can, and just keep putting it out there. You need to be consistent. Consistency, that's what's going to get you to where you want to go. So I want to thank you guys for watching. Give it a thumbs up if you thought this video was kind of cool. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Hit the little bell so you get notified when I put out a new video. And I look forward to seeing you guys in the next video. Peace.